Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Robert Castillo with Dent Dog San Antonio, showcasing my new Ding Ring from EdgyTools. Big hats off to you, Dave Strain. Love this tool. Comes with a lot of replaceable tips of different hardnesses, as you can see on his website. He'll explain it to you, but been using it the past couple of days. I just got it recently. You can move it out of your way at a finger's touch, just like so. And I like it because it's handy if I'm also using a tool and I'm under a brace. Right now I'm working on a dent that is over a brace, and I can still do all of my turning and twisting with it, and then when I'm ready to knock down, fingers touch, you just turn it back in the downward position. Just kind of give you a demonstration. Got a dent right here on the header of this roof that I'm about to start on, and then I've got my whale tail, as you can see, in my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and slip it in over the brace. There we go. Still have the ding ring attached to my finger, and I can still come in and do all the twisting that is necessary to keep working the sheet metal. Just like that. You can see I'll have a little bit of work that I'll need to do to do some knocking down. Just kind of want to give you a demonstration of how handy this tool is. Not having to worry about dropping the knockdown or looking for it. Just a little something extra you could add to your arsenal if you'd like to, if you're in a production type of an atmosphere and you just want to have that knockdown handy. Got it like this. Flick it down. I'm going to go ahead and use my metal tip. There you go. One more time. Ding Ring with EdgyTools. Awesome tool. Thank you, Dave Stream. We'll be back at you guys. Good luck. Hail season is here. Happy pushing.